Hey, welcome back to Crypto's Rich Boy. Today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin 2.0 or BTC 2.0. Guys, this is one that I seen a couple days ago, got into it, made some money, got out, and realized I never did an overview. But before we get started, guys, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and share it with your friends. Now, BTC 2.0, Miss BTC, here is your second chance. The crazy part is I when I was looking through it, this coin is actually based off the Ethereum network. I thought that was kind of ironic. I was like, it's Bitcoin 2.0, but they're based off the Ethereum network. But I guess some people think Ethereum is a little bit faster than Bitcoin anyway. So we'll see. We'll see. Let's get into it. Tokenomics, 21 million. So they have exactly the same amount of tokens as Bitcoin. You got to think though, Bitcoin has lost, probably some people think around 1 million to 2 million coins. um, so their actual supply is around 19 to 20 million. And so this one has the full 21 million. Here's the contract address. No tax, liquidity locked, ownership renounced. So guys, just be careful. There is, I think, a Bitcoin 2, but this one is Bitcoin 2.0. So, make Bitcoin fun again. That's actually pretty funny. Bitcoin is the OG meme coin, but many Bitcoin maxis have started taking it seriously. Let's bring the fun back to Bitcoin. That is kind of true, guys. I think Bitcoin was something that, it was used for payments, and now it's all the regulations coming, which is good, but you gotta have some meme coins, gotta have some fun in life, right? You can't just be uptight. That's what the whole point of kind of Bitcoin is to kind of, or Bitcoin 2.0 is to kind of keep things fun. So we have the Twitter group. We have it. Actually, before we get started with that, let's go ahead and get into the price. We are 43.7 cents. It looks like, we were trading at the 39-cent level, had a little run up. Right now, we are dipping because the whole market is dipping. I think the regular Bitcoin is, let's see. Oh wow. So the regular Bitcoin, man, if you go to the hour chart, there's a big red candle for regular Bitcoin. 29,774. So guys, we are losing a little bit. I think this is what I think is happening though. We're having a Fed meeting come up, I believe next week. Let's see. When is the Fed meeting? FOMC meeting schedule. So, we're oh, let me just go ahead and no. Let's see. When's the next Fed meeting? Okay. Let's see. So the next Fed meeting is July 25th and 26th. They're going to talk about um the interest rate numbers and different things with the economy, and that's technically they're like, oh, do we want to continue to tighten the markets by raising interest rates, causing less and less people to be able to buy, quantitative tightening, quantitative easing. That's kind of the whole purpose for that. So I think what's going to happen is I think there is a 70% chance that they continue to keep the rates paused. There's a 25% chance that they may raise it 0.25, and there's a 5% chance that they're going, 4% chance they're going to raise it more, and a 1% chance they're going to lower it. So I think they're either going, most likely they're going to keep a pause, or they might raise it 0.25, which, if they keep a pause, it'll cause ease, I think, in the markets. We'll continue to kind of just trade sideways, maybe move up to 32,000 for Bitcoin. I'm hearing if we can move up to 32,000, then we can go ahead and get to, I want to say they said after 32, 40, 42, between 42 and 45 is the next level. They said we should move quickly up to 35, and then when we get past that, we should have a very quick spike over the course of a couple weeks to that 42 level. I think that's going to happen. I think we need to get back to the 42 levels by the end of the year. Guys, we only have like a week and a half left, and then we're already in August, so September, October, November, December. So, we're halfway through quarter three of the year. August is the end of quarter three, the end of August, and then September, wait, no, October, November, December, no. So, September, October, November, December is quarter four. So starting in September, we are going to have wait a minute. No, January, February, March is quarter one. April, May, June is quarter two. July, August, September is quarter three. Okay, sorry. So September, the end of September is quarter three, and then October, November, December is quarter four. So guys, we're we're into quarter three now. Sorry, I got my dates a little mixed up. So we're into quarter three. We're having we're second to the last quarter of the year, and I think by next quarter we need to be at $40,000 Bitcoin, because we need to be at around $50,000 to $60,000 Bitcoin by quarter one of next year, probably like 50, closer to 50, 55. That way we can drop back to the 40s quarter two of next year, and then have that pump right after the halving to 70,000 by quarter three, and then quarter four we should be off to the races. I'm thinking 120 to 150,000. I think we're gonna top out, and then January of 2025, and then we're going to start kind of lowering after that. But anyway, back to Bitcoin 2. Enough about the general markets. So we are coming in. Let's see what the price is. See, the thing that kind of stinks is when Bitcoin falls, everything else kind of falls with it. So that's why we're having this little bit of a dip. But I think, with the 21 million supply, with the volume at 8.21 million, I think we're going to have a run up here very, very shortly. I was watching another video, and he was saying that if we can hold, if we can't hold 45, we might be going down to 38. And then if we can bounce up to 38, that'll be bullish. If we can't, then we might be going a little bit downwards. But that's not taking into account the fall of Bitcoin, because now we're at 29. Let's see, 710. So if you guys were shorting Bitcoin, congratulations, regular Bitcoin. I don't believe that there's any shorts for Bitcoin 2 yet, so there's not really, in my eyes, a reason to dump on Bitcoin 2. If anything, it might be kind of like a safe haven to kind of people getting out of regular Bitcoin and getting into these other the other assets that are not being leveraged, to kind of keep either that or stable coins. So to kind of keep things, because you want to minimize your loss, right? So to kind of keep things like that. So let's go ahead and see if we can take a look real quick at the, let's see, can we get Bitcoin? Do they have it on TradingView yet? They didn't before. Let's see, Bitcoin 2. All right, so here it is. So Bitcoin 2, we got to go down to the lower time frame. Okay, so here's what also I see happening, which is kind of bullish. So this is a little bit of hopium for the market, right? So this is kind of bullish in my opinion. So we have let's get into this first, and then so we have this right here, right? So we have to kind of 1, 2. If not, let's see, can we get a better line? Maybe, nope, not there. Can we get a better line here? So we got to have 3. So here is, okay, so we're going to take that as the resistance. So right now, so that is our resistance, and then we're going to have, let's see, the support. So you have this support right here. As you can see, you have the, hold on, let's see, you have touch 1 here, touch 2 there, kind of touch 3 there, touch 4 there. It tried to break it above here. So right now, that is that main support. I mean that main yeah, the support 37.5 level. So if we can kind of go there And if we break that, then guys, yeah, there's gonna be a fall probably down to the 19-cent range, but I don't think that's gonna happen. And then we have, let's see, we have another one right here. Let's see. So right now, if we can maintain these levels right here, that is, not so bad. So this is what I think is happening. So we have, let's get this right here. So we have shoulder, we have head, we're gonna have shoulder, and then we're gonna be off to the races. And then how you do it is you take the bottom right here. You go up to the neckline, which is gonna be around there. Whoops. Let's see. Let me straighten that out a little bit, and then that's gonna be your move up from here. So guys, potentially, if we can make another shoulder and kind of get above that neckline, I'm seeing around 75 cent, 75 to 77 cent, BTC 2.0. And like I said, with the volume that we're having, with the low tokenomics, with them not having perpetuals, meaning short long, I think we could very well see some very, very bullish action. Let me see. I'm gonna actually look right now. BTC. Oh, I stand corrected. They do have Bitcoin to perpetuals. So they just added that. So there might be, maybe that's the cause, the reason why there was this drop. And then but I think at the end of the day, I think we're gonna see a little bit of rise. And I don't know. I just been burned on perpetuals, so I try to stay out of them. I don't know. What do you guys do? You guys like to short and long the market? What is your strategy? But I still stand by the inverse shoulder, inverse head, inverse shoulder, and up. So let's see what happens. We got this weekend. Hopefully, maybe it's just a negative Thursday, getting ready for the bullish weekend. But let's see. I mean, patience is a virtue. Patience is key, and patience, it makes a lot of people a lot of money. Look at those people that bought Bitcoin at a couple cents, and now they are millionaires, billionaires, and they have a lot of money. So, anyway, guys, like this video, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Share it with your friends. Until next time.